My name is Luna Lu. I'm the acting head and the Raleigh professor of Lyle School of Civil Engineering at Purdue University. In partnership with Indiana Department of Transportation, my lab has developed a smart sensing technology that can directly measure the strength of the concrete. So this enables us to save millions of the taxpayers' dollars and to save billions of the hours that has been wasted by infrastructure repairing. The sensor technology is enabling the concrete to communicate with the engineers and contractors and constructors to understand the strength development at any given moment. In United States, the traffic jam caused by infrastructure repairing has wasted 4 million hours and 3 million gallon of the gas on a yearly basis. This is primarily due to we do not know when it's optimized time to open the traffic. So on one hand, we could open the traffic earlier before concrete reach to a threshold can take on the traffic. And then that will cause what we call the premature failure and the damage that will lead to frequent repair of the concrete. On the other hand, you could hold the traffic for 72 hours or even longer. That will cause what we frequently see, which is the traffic jam. Since 2017, my lab has been in partnership with Indiana DOT. We have developed a smart sensor technology by using IoT devices and AI-driven algorithm. We could understand the strength of the concrete development, and therefore engineer can make a data-driven decision when is the most optimized time to open the traffic to avoid frequent repair or avoid the traffic jam caused by the infrastructure repair. So currently my lab is working with the Federal Highway Administration and many states in the U.S. to implement sensor technology in the highway and bridge construction. This including California, Texas, Utah, Tennessee, Indiana, Kansas, Missouri, North Dakota, and the total of the states represent over 65% of the concrete usage in the United States.